Okay, everybody, moving on with equations. You can see a pretty long title here, Solving Equations with Variables on Both Sides of Equal Sign. The last assignment, I know that one was a little long, had 20 problems. Everything was on one side as far as combining like terms and variables, and there was only a number on the other side. Okay, so looking at this, you can see there's a variable on both sides. So this is a little bit new, and I realize it's a little blurry. The only way to make it clear is to zoom out, and then it becomes too small for the video. So try to write a little big, and hopefully that's not an issue. But to get started, I have to cancel one of these variables. I can't have x on both sides, everybody. I'm stuck. So if it doesn't matter, that's a common question. Which one should you cancel? It doesn't matter. You'll get the same answer. What I try to do is if I see I have a 2 and a 3, I will cancel the smaller one. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this 2x. And if you're wondering, well, how do you cancel it? Well, look on the left. If it's positive 2x, I do the opposite. I subtract 2x. And what I do on one side, you see I have to do on the other. Notice I line up the x's with the x's. Don't write it under a number. 2x minus 2x, scratch that out a little better, is 0. It's gone. Okay, so I draw this line just to separate. The 3 comes down. That's all I have. I can put the equal sign there if you want. That's all I have on that side of the equal sign, everyone. The variable is gone. Okay, so my 7 has to come down. You have to be organized and keep track of everything. 3x minus 2x is positive 1x. I have my variable on one side. Well, now if I have my variable on the right, I need my numbers on the left. So that means I need to cancel that 7. Never cancel something that's all by itself. Okay, that's a real common mistake. I want to cancel that 7. Since it's positive, you see what I'm doing? Subtracting 7. Now draw another one of those lines. Those 7s are gone. That's a 0. I'm not going to write 0 plus x on the right. I'm just going to write x. So x just kind of drops down. I have to have an equal sign. 3 minus 7, you can even add them. 3 plus negative 7, it's the same answer, negative 4. Okay, there's no dividing to do here because there's just a coefficient of 1 there. And I think there are about 3 of them. That's a 4. It's getting a little messy. There are about 3 or 4 of them on the assignment that look like that. So I'd like you to try this one. It's very similar. Okay, so I'll wait a second. Some of you will pause and try. Hopefully all of you. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and do that one. It's very similar, as I said. And you don't have to draw that squiggly line. Some people do. 8x, 9x. 8 is smaller. Cancel the 8. So hopefully that was your first step. And gone. The 6 comes down. Over on the right, I have 9x minus 8x, which is 1x. And you can put that 1 there. I don't. Some people do. Bring down the 6, but notice what's in front of that 6. So I'm bringing down negative 6. Okay, watch your signs. As always, look on the left. X is on the right. I want my numbers on the left, so I want x all alone. Well, cancel out that 6. Negative 6 and positive 6 make 0. Come over here. I have 12, 6 plus 6. X just drops down. I'm done. Okay, so now let's look at a couple where you have to divide as in the last step. So, same, there's my equal sign, x on both sides, and I'm going to cancel one of them. Now, that's a negative, oh sorry, I was pointing at the wrong one. That's a negative x, negative 5x, that's a positive. I'm going to cancel the negative, and I'll cancel negative 5x by doing positive 5x. Okay, 5x plus 1x is 6x. Bring down your plus 8. These x's are gone. And here comes 44, just dropping down as positive. This is just a two-step equation now, everyone. I need to cancel the 8. Just did. 6x comes down. 44 minus 8 is 36. And now I have to divide. On the 2 above, I did not, because I just had a 1x there. Okay, well now I have to divide by 6. And 36 divided by 6 is 6. Okay, just to move this along, I'm going to just have you try these two. And notice I summarize the steps down here. Cancel a variable, cancel a number, and divide if needed. Okay, so on the last one I needed to. So try these two, and I'll give you some good news on the assignment. All of the variables are positive, just like these two. Okay, so there's not a lot of negatives to deal with. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and try these now, hoping that you already did. So I have a 4x and a 9x. So I'll cancel the smaller one. And remember, you'll get the same answer. And if you wonder, how would that happen? Like, for instance, here, instead of x equals 6, if you canceled the other x, it would just read 6 equals x. It would just read the other way. So that never matters. Cancel your x's. Here comes 13. Bring down the negative 2, and I have to combine them. And that's positive 5x. Okay, so I'm here, I have my x on the right, so I need to cancel this number. I need basically x's on one side, numbers on the other. Add 2. Add 2. That's a 15. Those twos cancel, and you can see right here the answer is 3. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. X is 3. And yeah, we did skip a problem because that had a negative x, so I just want to focus on what you need for the assignment here. And last one. 1x, 7x. I'm going to cancel the 1x. I always start by canceling one of these x terms, or variable terms. It might not be x. Gone. Here comes 11. 7 minus 1 is 6. Bring down your plus 5. If I have my x on the right, I want my numbers on the left. So again, cancel this. Never cancel something. Yes, I'll remind you again. Never cancel something if it's all by itself. I really hope to avoid that mistake. 11 minus 5 is 6. And you can tell 6 is 1 because 6 times 1 is 6. But we show that by division 1 equals x. And if you don't like the x on the right, some people don't like that. They write x equals 1. Of course, it's the same thing. Okay, let me show you quickly the assignment. There are 10 problems, not 20 like last time. Should not take as much time. I have the camera backwards, so not backwards, running sideways, so you can't see the whole thing. But there are just 10 of them. Notice all the variables are positive. See, positive, 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 positive. They all divide evenly too. So do your best. We have 2 days to complete this, and as always, let me know if you have any trouble with it.